Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and from the title, I'm sure you can tell what we are going to be doing today. But my husband is the one that is going to be looking at these and taste testing these because I already know which one is from which place, so I didn't think it would be very fair if I did that. Now, looking at these macarons, I'm actually super impressed. They have really great feet. They do look like they might have a little bit of hollow shell going on as some of the feet look slightly separated, but we shall see. Now, I gotta say, just from a slight glance looking at these, they look very similar, both in size and in shape to the other macarons that I picked up from the grocery store. But they actually don't look like they're as carefully matched as the ones that I picked up from the grocery store, but we shall see what my husband thinks. Now, Jordan has taste tested a lot of macaron batches from my very first batch that I made like 12 years ago till now, so we shall put his skills to the test.
The quality of it, feet are pretty much the same on both. Quality wise. Can I touch them at all? Mm-hmm. Should I do? Because it might break them. They all feel pretty. Yeah, this one, I think these are a little more dense, these two. These ones feel much lighter than these ones. Except for this one, this is covered in something. Oh, they smell good. Somebody didn't match these shells accordingly, whoever this was. They're pretty nice. For the most part, some of them didn't rise with feet on all edges. Like this one only has feet on this side, not on the inside. They look very pretty, except for that one, that's boring. But like the yellow color on this, that pops really nice. The pink is much nicer. This is the most lackluster one. But this chocolate freaking hex thing, or a crisscross thing is cool. This smear one looks neat. They look cool. I don't know how they did that. I'd give these like these are definitely a 5 out of 5 for appearance, and these are like a 4, a 3 and a 4. What, like out of 5?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's like some chocolate in the middle or something. Not very interesting considering what I saw on the plate. For flavor, it was a 2 out of 5. Yeah, I'm bored with that one. The texture was really good. That would be a 4 out of 5. Oh yeah, much yummier filling than that one. If that was just a plain chocolate one again, that is way nicer. So for taste, that's definitely like a 4, possibly a 5 for just a plain chocolate. Am I right in that? Chocolate? Yeah, for texture is about a 3 or a 4. Is good. Oh. Texture is very different on that. That's not a ganache, that's a buttercream in there. Or maybe an icing? The texture is very different from the other one. The shell is really good. I don't like the texture as much as having ganache in the middle, but I know it's different. I think it's icing, so I'll give that a 4, or 3.5 for texture. And taste was really good. 4 out of that for taste. Oh yeah. Oh, the texture is way better. Taste is a 5 out of 5. That one was good, and the texture was a 4 out of 5.
Now is the taste test challenge.
Oh, challenge. What do I win? It would be a challenge if I don't have them, yeah. That's a challenge.
Okay.
Like a plain chocolate ganache. And I can't really pick out any other flavor than that.
And what flavor would you call this?
It's just a plain chocolate ganache again. Oh man, I'm gonna make a fool of myself, I think.
And what do you think this one is?
That gotta be that orangey pumpkin one that I was looking at. That was really, or no, like, yeah, sure. Cinnamon. It was like a cinnamon bun one.
And what would you say this one is?
Like salted caramel or something like that. And that tasted like a white chocolate candy cane something. That's really good. Oh, yeah, that'll cleanse it if it's that hot. Like a pumpkin pie something. That's really good. Green tea or matcha or something. It's that's a weird one. I can't figure that one out.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Make sure to leave it a like.
No.
It's in the description box below. Is it any of these? Links for the blindfold and apron will be listed in the description box below. You have to put that in there.